Yeehaw! Another segment for Pappy's Corner coming up. Yeah! I'm going to show you
another Pappy's Corner invention. It's called the fartometer. That's what I call it. But it's actually the Rectum scale. And bless you for coming to the corner today to check out the Rectum scale. I'm going to give you a demonstration on how it works. I have some tips here, replaceable tips for various people. So if you wanted to, pass it around the room and let everybody measure their farts, well, you could have a replacement tip for everyone so that you're not spreading anal germs with everyone. Okay, I'm going to do a test here on that here in just a second. But first, I thought I'd give you a little education on the average fart. Everyone farts about, on average, 14 times per day. Yeah. And the rate at which a fart travels is about 10 feet per second. And that's about 7 miles per hour. So that tells me you can't walk away from a fart, but you can run away from a fart. And a fart takes up the space or volume of about a half of a liter. So yeah, that's quite a bit of surface area for a fart to take up, I think. And 3 to 5% of a fart is actually oxygen. If you were to put a fart in a jar, it would last about 10 years. But if you could have nothing but the fart and seal it airtight, the fart would last forever. So yeah, think about that one. Okay, now that you're all educated on the fart, let's go ahead and do a test and see how the Rectum scale works. I want to show you just how this measures the volume of the gas in a fart. The Rectum scale actually measures the gas force as it exits the anus. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to work me up a fart. I ate some beans, tacos, chili. All right, let's get started here. Now, first I got to put the tip on. Clean new tip put on here. I'll go ahead and try to name these farts as they exit the rectum. The triple flatter blaster, the freak, the roughy drumble, the crop duster, the F sharp. Whoa, yeah, wow. It feels kind of strange coming out. Feels kind of strange going in too. Boy, I was saving them up for a while. I'm glad I was able to get a successful test going here for you. And yeah, I think I just might patent this Rectum scale. The only place you're going to see anything like this is on Pappy's Corner. And I just want you to know that if you can't impress them with intelligence, baffle them with bullshit. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love ya.